Good morning, guys. Today I'm saying about API. What is an API? API refers to application programming interface. It is going to allow when two applications is going to be talk with each other. It acts as a bridge between the systems. It can be used in the web applications, mobile applications, and cloud apps as well. Why do we need APIs? APIs are needed because we can transfer the data securely. It can be connected to different systems as well. To avoid direct database access, we use APIs in the middle. We can reuse these existing functionalities. How an API works. When client sends a request, API process the request and server sends the response. Like when a client is going to request some data, it is going to API and API is going to talk with the server. Real-time example, weather application. User opens weather app. API is going to call app is going to call weather API. API returns a temperature data and it is going to be display in the weather info. What are the benefits of APIs? APIs can be like faster application development. It can be a secure communication with each other and easy integration and scalable systems as well.